I'm still trying to figure out. So this is the object that was produced, which arguably is not actually the work of art, but it goes by the name the ellipsoidal introspective optic, and then the presentation was called Eye Meets Eye. It's basically a block of aluminum this big, and as I described before, it's based off an MRI scan of my head, so that when my eyes are aligned in the center of this kind of concave surface, each eye sees the other eye no matter where I look. So I just wanted to go through like the project history of how kind of the collaboration happened, and then get into the performance indicators. So I'll try and go through the history quickly so we can focus more on the kind of ideas of success or failure. So just in general, I thought I'd break it into pre-production, production, the presentation, and then this ongoing post-production. So let's get into it. So actually the idea for this object was something from 2003 while I was still at MIT. So it'd been in the back of my mind for a long time. And yeah, I kind of tried to talk about who was doing what so that we can also see where the collaborations happened. And so I would say like 2000 to 2006 was just kind of my own conception, design, development. In 2007 I presented to a group at the Royal Academy of Arts of Sciences, and Raymond Benet was in the audience. He actually emailed me to say he'd love to see the mirror, can he come visit my studio? And I said, yes, you're welcome to, but first we have to make it. And that was, his excitement was what generated the enthusiasm within Canave to get the first level of support together with the Rijksakademie to actually make it a real initiative. And then in 2008, there's kind of a whole year of research and development, CAD modeling, all these things. So all these different partners started to come in, getting the MRI scans, and the funding wasn't fully secured and put in place until 2009. So that's when the production started. So this is a very complex single point diamond raster fly cutter, which basically means it's, you all have one at home, I'm sure. Yeah,